Welcome back to another episode. I'm excited. I'm not going to talk much because today we're going to finally put that back in that. Let's go. All right, so there, it's done. I didn't do all of it just because I wanted to get this done. And those rear brakes, I just learned something new today. Apparently they're not pistons, they actually spin. And I did not know that. So that took me a long time. I had my buddy Steve come over, my neighbor, and he was the one that actually told me that. And I was like, oh, that's why I've been trying to compress it this entire time and it's not working. And then, so funny thing, I had it all put together right down here, remember? Yeah, it was all pretty nicely put together. I was just gonna jack it up and start screwing everything in until I realized you can't do that, Justin. So I took it all apart again and did piece by piece by piece, just like what you guys just saw. So that was last week. To you, it was just a few seconds. Now it's exactly a week later. I had to wait a little bit longer because, ta-da! Rebuilt drive shaft. That was the last piece of this puzzle. So now that I just got this back not too long ago, I'm going to shove it back in there. Probably not going to film it. It takes like seriously 5 minutes. You just slip it inside the transfer case, bolt up the middle piece, and then bolt up the 4 bolts that go to the diff. So it's super simple. A blind monkey can do it. So I don't think you need instructions on how to do that. But let me throw this in real quick. I'm going to put in a new tank of E85. We're going to get this thing back on the road. So huge shout outs to everyone in the 123 EVO Facebook page. I already forgot what the heck it's called. My bad, guys. I'm on there literally every day and I already forgot what it was. I guess I'm just super excited to drive this thing. Huge shout outs to Corey for the rust and all the restoration. Obviously my neighbors Steve and Vince for letting me borrow their tools, teaching me about my car, being awesome people. I freaking love you dudes. You're awesome. Strat, because he's going to do my alignment here soon. We already talked about engine builds for maybe the next year or two. So that's super exciting. Alrighty, I'm going to give it a little bit of boost. So hopefully you can hear it. Woo-hoo! 27 pounds of boost never feels so good. Yeah! Well, police station's right here. Why do I do that? Oh gosh, that felt amazing. Oh, no check engine lights. Baby, we're doing good, yeah! Alright, I'll calm down, I'm sorry. Holy smokes. Alright guys, well I think that's going to be it for this video. I think you guys got the point. Everything went back in flawlessly. It is now Friday. Next Tuesday I have an appointment at Strats to get my alignment done. Since there's a lot of adjustable components that we have to get tweaked. And yeah, expect a lot more content to come. This is going to be exciting. So until the next one, later.